children.
Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Did you know there is a spice more valuable than silver, and sometimes even more expensive than gold? It is not a treasure hidden in a pirate's chest, but delicate red threads that give dishes a special color and taste. Today, I want to discover what saffron is and why it is called the most expensive spice in the world. I invite everyone to learn this unusual culinary secret. On the Meadow of Questions, I met Crocodile and Macaw. Crocodile believed that saffron is so expensive because it only grows at the bottom of volcanoes and must be picked just before an eruption, risking your life. Macaw, on the other hand, thought saffron was powdered gold that special colorful birds bring to dishes to give them a royal shine. I explained to them that saffron has nothing to do with volcanoes or gold. It is a delicate part of a beautiful purple flower, and its price comes from the very difficult and time-consuming way it is harvested. In the Grove of Questions, I met Vulture and Turtle. Vulture shared that to find food, he sometimes had to fly many kilometers and look for one small thing in a huge area, which takes a lot of patience. Turtle added that he had to carry stones one by one, which took him whole days, because every movement had to be careful and precise. I agreed with them that these were great examples. Collecting saffron requires similar patience in finding the flowers, and great delicacy when picking out the thin threads by hand. At the Source of Stories, I met Crab and Cockatoo. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about saffron. Crab explained that saffron is dried stigmas, or threads, from the saffron crocus flower, and each flower has only 3 tiny threads. Cockatoo excitedly added that this is exactly why it is so valuable. She said that to collect just 1 kilogram of this spice, you have to pick and process by hand from 150 to even 200,000 flowers, which is an incredibly tedious job. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that it is this huge amount of manual work and the small yield from each flower that makes saffron the most expensive spice in the world. Dear researchers, today we discovered the secret of the red gold. We understood that there is no hidden mystery behind the high price of saffron, only a lot of human work and patience needed to collect thousands of delicate flowers. This is a wonderful lesson that shows how much we value things that are rare and hard to get. I hope that from now on, everyone will look at spices with even more admiration. See you on the next fascinating journeys on the Island of Knowledge.